What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Covering this is part two to the Bing Ads case study campaign that we set up in our last video. I'm gonna check. You can check it out on my channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description also, so you can check out and see how I set up the full Bing Ads campaign. Now, this is from yesterday. That's the first day Bing actually started sending some clicks. As you can see, we got 2 clicks, 1 conversion. Let's see which keyword got us the sale or commission or whatever. As you can see, how to get free diapers. We only tested 1 ad because I think on my second ad it was like an error when I was setting it up, so I didn't get to split test it. But whatever, man. We got a conversion. Let's go over and check it out on Cash Network. Make sure it checks out. As you can see, we got 1 commission of $2.40, and let's see how much we spent yesterday. So we spent a total of 96 cents and made $2.40. Now in the future, I'm definitely gonna be adding more keywords, split testing more ads and things like that. So I mean, it's pretty nice, you know. We in profit on day 1, even though it's only $1.40 profit. It's better than nothing. So as you can see, we testing out 10 keywords and only, let's see. Check out the only 2 clicks. None of these even got an impression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 out of 10 keywords that we was targeting didn't even get an impression. And the 1 keyword we did get a conversion on was 72 cents. We spent 72 cents to make 240. Yeah, man, that's pretty good numbers. Just like literally just starting out, average position of 2 right here and 1.4. So yeah, we basically still in that first spot for these keywords, which is probably why we got that conversion. But yeah, man, we used we sent the clicks to our pre-sale page and then to the offer. So yeah, man, that's pretty much this. Like I said, we're gonna update this in the future once I spend hundreds and hopefully thousands of dollars on it. So I'm gonna show y'all all the keywords, all the ads I use. I know I don't hold any information back when it comes to this stuff. I mean, I really don't care. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, I have my CPA marketing course. You can check that out. First link in the description or in the comment section down below. Make sure after you purchase the course, click return to merchant because I'm using PayPal. I know majority of y'all use PayPal before. So yeah, after you purchase it, hit return to merchant and also check the email that's registered to that PayPal account, because every day I get at least 1 person saying they didn't get the course somehow when it's in their email and they could have just clicked return to merchant from the first place. But like I said, that's all I got for this video. I'm out.